Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Liene and preparing materials. Plug the 5V/2A adapter, then open the media cover and insert the thermal sticker roll with the printable side up, aligned to the 0.5 cm guide so print center. Once done, close the cover and press the power button until the LED pulses green. Pair your phone in the Liene app or connect USB-C to a computer. Make sure permissions are granted so the app can access files and status. You now create and configure your sticker file. In the app, select a template size, 40x30 mm recommended for first runs, then import your image and crop to safe margins of 2-3 mm. Convert to monochrome or high-contrast PNG for thermal clarity and preview in the layout view. Next, set print density and speed, lower speed and higher density for crisp text. Once done, send a single test print to verify alignment and darkness before committing to a. You finish by printing the full job and preparing stickers for use. After print's complete, open the cover and let the sheet cool briefly. Peel stickers from the backing or cut them to size using tweezers for tiny labels. Save your print preset in the app to speed future work and enable cloud backup. If you encounter a feed jam, stop printing, power off, carefully reopen the cover, realign the roll and paper path, then power on and run a manual feed to clear the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.